What's up, Vegheads? It's Alyssa here, and I'm getting ready to answer some questions that almost everyone has when they're cooking tofu. I'm going to teach you how to make it look and taste like chicken. It's going to have that pull-apart texture, and it's going to taste fantastic. Come on.
To start off, you're going to need a block of extra firm tofu. Next, you're going to want to cut the block in half and then in half again, like so. Place the tofu on a dry towel to press out the excess moisture. Add a flat surface and some extra weight over the tofu and let it press for 30 minutes. Once your tofu is pressed, you're going to want to cut it into strips and place it into a freezer-safe container to start marinating and soaking up some delicious flavor. I marinate with Bragg's amino acids. Pop it in the freezer for about 30 minutes and then you're ready to coat the tofu in oil. And for this recipe, I'm going to be using sesame oil because I'm going to use the tofu in a Chinese dish. The next step is to toss the tofu with flour and your choice of seasoning to get the crispy golden brown outer layer and to lock in the flavor. On a cookie sheet with oil and tinfoil, distribute the tofu about 1/2 inch apart and place into the oven to bake at 455 degrees for about 15 minutes on each side. Now that the tofu is crispy and golden brown, I'm going to take it out of the oven, pull it apart, and serve it with my favorite Chinese stir-fry dish. This is my first tutorial on how to vegan. If you'd like to know how to make my Chinese stir-fry or would like to see more content like this, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching!